Stay inside the
Griffin. Yeah, nice weapon, Griffin. So brawl is very dealable against like fucking multiple claps, really. It's very easy to fucking wipe them.
Kesa tong hits.
I'm going Saudi instead of Castle.
Nabilis yung maubos pero.
Yeah, I need eyes on CCTV where they're going.
Bilisan lang, no?
They're in Terry.
Yeah, this one starts smashing. Starts sieging. This one starts sieging. Tell me if they come out, please. Tell me if they come out.
Yes.
Yeah, Marlika, listen, I'm inside. Are they coming out? Are they coming out? Are they coming out? Somebody info.
They are. I don't think.
Yeah, Ale, you good there? Listen, I'm in the castle right now, flipping. Yeah, Marlika, come fast. Yeah, listen, where's the pure gold?
Our chariot.
What?
Okay.
Bro, if you tell me,
CDG is going well.
CTG going well. Okay.
Some people can hear. Our chariot is ganking.
Where?
Ping.
Yeah, help the southeast. Oh my god, fucking nigga. Just come to me. Why are you getting ganked? How are you getting ganked? Yo, come north again. Come inside. I need to flip the castle first. Fuckers. Yo. Okay, yo, can you tell Tokhang to gank the gankers? They're ganking my gear.
Where?
Yo, Dandy, can you tell them they're ganking the fucking other reds are ganking my gears?
Which map?
Tell them.
May malaking blob sa Bill mo.
Glenn. Yeah, there's a big blob in Vale. I'm inside castle. Yo, who's in Vale then?
Check ko papunta pa ako sa
Come south fast. Everything north side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who's the southeast blob? Is that Griffin? Oh yeah, they're queuing in. Oh yeah, wait, who's queuing in? Who's that big blob southeast?
May CDG dito sa Vale.
No, who's that blob southeast?
Kung anong dyan.
I honestly feel like that's all Rise. Is that all Rise?
Nag-zone sila incline.
Griffin, level 30.
Who's running in? Yo, hold this choke east side. Ah. They're only gonna come from here. Hold this. You kill them. Hold this. Tanks, hold it. Q's in the beast inside. Kill inside. Brawl inside. They can only come from one choke, man. They can only hold this. Kill everything inside. Okay, kill everything inside. Kill those inside. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Kill these guys inside. Yo, can we push them out? Can we push them out of the middle? Can we push them out circle? Kill him. Kill some beast. Yo, I'm inside castle. Kill him. Aye. I flip castle already. Yo, come satis, okay? Come satis. Outside.
Level 22, Pobre Alliance sa incline.
This the chariot. Oh, you killed the chariot? Nice. Yo, come satis. Yo, come satis, come east, catch them. Okay, where's Pobre now?
Incline.
What? How big?
Level 23 sila dito. Holding
Yo, kick them east.
Northwest incline.
Where is that only Griffin Empire or is that all of them?
Griffin CDG.
Where's Datu?
Wala dito eh.
Yeah, catch this guys on me.
Only Griffin and CDG.
Only Griffin and CDG. I need to know where Pobre is though. Can we catch him? Snare charge. Everything on him. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything crown. Kill this guy. Yo, don't zone out. It's cluster. Don't zone, nigga. Yo, mantap. I think we can third party on CDG. Yo, mantap.
Ang trip nila, ba't nagdi-dismount to mga to?
Are they dismounting? Where?
Ay, Griffin Empire.
Yeah. Listen. Okay, come west, southwest. Yo, listen. Everyone, pass the choke southwest. Keep coming.
Northwest sila, boss. Meron
Dismount far southwest. Dismount west side on me. Dismount west side on me. This one west. Defend choke. Defend choke. Defend choke. Defend choke. Defend choke. Kill me. Heal front choke. Kill choke. You everything. Get ready. Get ready. Inside. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside crown. Inside crown. Inside crown. Inside crown. Inside crown. Inside crown. Oh my god. Yo, come southwest. Come southwest. Come southwest. Past the choke. Okay, nice. Heal up. Heal up. Heal up. Come west side. Come west side. Demon side. Demon side. Demon side. Okay, nice. Nice. Heal up. Heal up only. Heal up. Heal up only. Keep coming west side. Keep coming west.